try that again. Ace, solid brass padlock. Got our packaging here. This is for the Greenbelt pick, 38 millimeter. High security, that is no joke, man. 5 pins, pick resistant. From what I can tell, the whole critter's filled with spool pins. And I believe there's some serrated pins in here as well. Definitely feels kind of scritchy and rough, like a serrated is. So I'll go in with windshield wiper blade insert at the bottom of the keyway. This is just the way I prefer to pick for now. And then I'm using just a long reach. And then I'm kind of tapping some pins on the way in. I'm going to go from the back here and pull a good false set. That's looking good. Let's see if we can kind of tap some others. Feel some good stuff there. Now, that was the 5th pin. This 3rd pin wants counter rotation. I'm just gonna work it up and down, drop that in, see if we get anywhere with that. And not this time. Let's try again. Back of the pins, 5th pin, up you get, false set, in you go. 4th pin, let's try you. And that's it. False set. Pick it to the false set. It's got like another one in there, and I'm kind of bouncing up and down on some of these pins, just kind of easing them in a little bit. They don't really click up to the shear line. Some of these pins don't. Some of them, you just kind of brushing past them. As I kind of tap, brush past them. Then I get a little bit of a set going here. I get a little click there. I've tried doing this from the front. It doesn't seem to go too well. And it seems like that number 5, at least for this lock, number 5 sets it up into a false set. And then you can kind of go back through and kind of, yeah, not quite on that one. Let's do it one more time. Come on. Come on. I know you're in there. Number 1. Let's see if we can get that last guy. Just kind of want to get 2 in here, make sure it's not a fluke, as they say. Here we go. Out again on that one. So, ace. Honestly, I'm really impressed with these ace locks. I've got another one. I'll do another video. Ace laminated. Once again, they just threw some pins in, some nice security pins, and some tighter tolerance. Same cost as Master Lock, drastically better. The whole thing just feels so much better, weightier, dials through better, opens with a key better. So I guess the moral of this is get my green belt with this one, and also buy Ace padlocks if you have an option. Same cost and much better. Keep your eyes peeled for the repinning video. So we'll gut and repin an ABIS I've got laying around. That'll be a solid one, and we'll pin that to my house key. It's a pretty cool lock. Until next time.